How are you all? Yes, today's circle time is days of the week. Days of the week. Yes, tell me all of you, how many days in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Yes, tell me all of you, what are they? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Tell me once again all of you. Sunday, Monday,